More and more governments and businesses are now really concerned about the increasing pressures on our global resources due to human activities. Our economies and our systems of production and consumption are stressing and damaging Earth's natural systems. We use enormous amounts of raw material and energy to create the billions of products that sustain our lives. At the same time, we send huge volumes of waste into the very atmosphere, waters, land, and ecosystems that are vital to our existence. The richer we are, generally the more we pollute. An overarching challenge is that billions of people in less developed countries have the same right to live long and comfortable lives as people in developed countries have. This is directly linked to becoming wealthier. But if everyone consumes resources and emits wastes at the level that developed countries do at present, then our planet will simply be unable to meet the demands placed upon it. The underlying problem lies with our linear economies. These have excessively high material and energy consumption and eject large proportions of material as waste. Something has to change. One thing we can do is to make our economies much more circular, so that we achieve more using less. The picture of what a circular economy is, or could be, is becoming clearer as more practical real-life examples emerge. Generally, strategies can be seen as seeking to keep resources and products at as high a value as we can for as long as possible and extending their lifetimes so that they function for longer. To demonstrate how a circular economy can be developed, this course showcases many of the ways that society works towards the slowing and narrowing and, of course, closing of resource flows. Importantly, the creation of a circular economy is about much more than resource flows. It is also about developing and implementing strategies for circular product design, business models, and policy formulation. And it is interlinked with the evolving of our norms and behaviour to build a circular society. We need advances in all these areas to achieve a circular economy.